Hello, this is my first ever magical mystery bead box from Jesse James Beads, and I am so excited to share it with you all. It's open, as you may or may not notice, because what I just did was filmed a quick little video for my Instagram account where I opened it and I showed the theme as a little teaser to come on over here to my YouTube account, my YouTube channel, to see what's in the box, because I would like for people to follow me on both accounts, or one or the other, whatever is, if you only have one or the other, that's fine. But yeah, I just thought it would be fun if I kind of teased it on one account, because I have a lot more followers on Instagram and I'm trying to gain followers over here. So I thought it'd be fun if I showed just the theme and had this as a special thing that I only do on YouTube, where I show what's in the box. The only thing I've done so far is look at the theme, and I had a hard time opening the box, so let's try this again. All right, and the theme is Yellowstone. And does it say the contents on the back? Yes, it does. We will look at that as we go along. Here we go. Yay! Oh my goodness. Let's look at everything inside. So I'm going to put this out of the frame and show everything one by one with the little card here to tell us what everything is. Oh, there's a design challenge. Ooh, let's look at that. Capture your favorite spring dreams. Okay. First thing I'm pulling out. Love fiercely. Bead Strand. Look at this. It's all metals. Well, and some like Heishi beads or whatever. I don't know how that's pronounced. Heishi beads, I think, which are polymer clay, I believe. But yes, wow, this is all metal. Look at that. I'm gonna put it here and read the card. Love fiercely, metal bead strand. Okay, that's all it says. All right, we figured that out for ourselves. Okay, now look at the detail. Oh my goodness, and there's like one little, I think that's a thunder polish stone there. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, now I want to know what is in this little secretive pouch. Does it say? It doesn't say, so we're gonna be surprised. Let's see. Ta-da! Oh, there's more. Ta-da! That's everything. Looks like, findings and a Patricia Healy copper bead. Oh my goodness. These are expensive. Patricia Healy heart charm. They're calling it a charm, but it's like a, it's a bead, I would say. You know what I mean? Because it has it has a horizontal hole. All right, let's take it out. Why am I showing it to you through the plastic? I don't know. Oh my God. I never thought I would have my own. I don't have the budget for these kinds of things. See, this is why you get the bead box, because you get things that, you normally wouldn't be able to afford. You know what I'm saying? No way. These are hearts. Oh my goodness. I think that this is a chain. Oh, brass chain duo, 12 inches each. Oh my goodness. Okay. 9 inches of leather cord. So would that be like an anklet? Because I think bracelets are typically like 7.5. So yeah, I've never made an anklet before. I don't see this on here. But yeah, it's like clear and brown. That's very cool. If I put it to the side, can you see maybe? Oh, it's like clear and brown. So it's like wire wrapped. Look how delicate that is. Here it is up close. Here it says chain for beading. open chain links to add more beads. Oh, that's so cool. First, we have to look at this mix. Oh, wow, this is stunning. Okay. Oh, here are these, like, these the ones? Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cool. Wait, it's not focusing. Look how cool that is. What is that? Oh my goodness. That's so cool. All right, I'll just bring this right up to you. There's so many little beads. Normally what I would do is I would pick out each type of bead and put it in the palm of my hand, but there are so many little ones. I don't think I'm going to do it. Oh, here we go. I think I'm just going to kind of move these around and show you how pretty they are. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? It's like half green and half brown. Look at that. These are so interesting. Look at these ones. Oh my goodness. These are so cool. What are these? Look, it's like blue on one side and then like electroplated, kind of like, I don't know, a mirror finish on the other side. Wow, these are really cool. Look, these are like funky shaped. These are like super coppery looking. Yeah, so hopefully you kind of saw everything. Ooh, that gives a really cool effect with the light. Oh my goodness. So cool. Next up is Montana Sky. All right. We got these big ones. We got these two cool ones. Look how crazy these are. So neat. Got a couple of these. And a couple different types of these. And these. Look at these. So different. I don't even know what to call any of these beads. They're all so cool though. Next up is Ranch House. I'm loving this heart. This wood heart. So cool. And look at these. Oh my goodness. Look at them. Wow. Look at these. We have a few of these. Get some round ones. Whoops. Another round one. All different shapes. Charm set. Let's look at this teeny tiny dream catcher. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, and these are like mountains. Wow. Look at all these feathers. Oh wow, this is a bead. Wow. Cool. Oh, there's two of those feathers. And oh, there's two of the mountains. And there's 3 of these feathers. Oh, there's 2 of these too. There's 2 of these. These have a hole in them. And there are 5 of these. Alright, cool. I think the only other things I'm going to take out of the package, because the leather cord, I mean, you can see it pretty much through the package. I'm going to take these out. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love it so much. Do you love it too? Is it just me, or do you love it as much as I do? Oh my goodness. That is so cute. And this one, which is like curb chain, I think it's called. I'm learning. Wow, pretty color. All right, well, there is everything in frame except for the little burlap sack. That's over here, and the card. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Have a wonderful day. Oh, look at the pretty crinkle paper.